What's going on, guys? In this video I'll be showing you guys what a SMT is, and I'll also go through some examples on the real-time chart showing you guys how you can enter off of SMTs and how you can pair them together with other confluences. So an SMT is a divergence between two pairs, in this case NQ and ES, and a SMT can look something like this. So let's say that Nasdaq is trending upwards, as you can see, higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs. And ES is also trending upwards. But Nasdaq does not take out the high, which ES does. This right here is a SMT divergence. So what this can do is that this can cause the market to sell off. In this case, this is a bearish SMT, so this will cause the market to sell off. And I'll also be showing you guys a bullish example. Okay, so here's a bullish example of an SMT. As you can see, we're trending downwards, creating lower lows and lower highs on Nasdaq, and we're doing the same on ES. But the difference is at this low right here, you can see that Nasdaq fails to take this low out right here, and ES takes this low out right there. This creates a bullish SMT, and this can cause the market to pump. So once you see a reaction from this SMT divergence right here, you will take your long entry like this, and then you will have your stops below the low that created the SMT, and you'll normally take a entry around this area right here. But it's very important that you pair your SMT with something else. So I'll be going through some examples on the chart, showing you guys what you can pair it with and what works best. Okay, so here's an example of last Friday's price action where we set in a SMT right here. As you can see, Nasdaq did not take this low out right here, while ES did take this low out right here. This created a SMT in the market, and then we displaced higher from this SMT, showing that we're bullish. We then disrespect this bearish gap right here, showing that we want to go higher, and you could have entered off of the speed through the CB, aka inverse, and you could have targeted the internal high right here, or you could have targeted these highs right here. And as you can see, these usually run a lot of points, and this is exactly how you can use SMTs paired with other ICT confluences and get a entry model off of that. Here's another example of a bullish SMT, and as you can see, Nasdaq takes this low out right here, and ES does not take this low out right here. We then get the reaction from the SMT right here. We also have this sell side imbalance right here, so this ICT FEG right here. We disrespect this sell side imbalance right here, and we also respect this SMT right there. And you can take your long position off of this, have your stop loss at the low of the SMT, and you can target something like this. Okay, so here's a bearish example of an SMT. As you can see, Nasdaq fails to take this high out right here, and ES takes this high out right there. After this SMT, you can see a strong sell-off to the downside right here, and you can also pair this SMT with this IFEG right here. So your entry could be something like this, and your stop at the swing high that did the SMT, and you can target the internal low right there. And yeah, that's basically how you use SMTs paired with other ICT concepts, and how you can use them as a entry model. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. You can join my Discord, it's completely free, link in the bio. Peace.